In this video, I will show you how to change your username on Shopee in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new mobile browser, and you want to come across to the following website, shopee.com.my. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you come across this website is, if you're using Google Chrome, you want to come up to the three dots in the top right hand corner and give that a click. What you want to do is actually change this to view into desktop mode. So if you look down the page, you're going to see it says desktop site down here. What you want to do is tick this. You can see I've already got mine set to desktop site, but you want to do this because that is the way you're going to be able to change your username. So once that's done, what you then want to do is just zoom in and come up to the top right hand corner, and then click the login button up here. Next, just go ahead and log into your account. So if you have your own account, or whether that's with Google or Facebook. And then once you're logged in, what you're going to want to do now is again come up to your profile. So come back to the top right hand corner. You can see I'm logged in now. Give that a click. And then what you want to do on the left hand side, you're going to see your name there. So what you want to do is actually click onto edit profile. From here, you'll see you can actually change your username. Now, just a quick note that your username can only be changed once. So once you've changed it, that's it. You're not going to be able to change it again. What you want to do is enter that into here. So I'm going to change it to test and put some numbers afterwards. So that's fine to use. And all you want to then do is click the orange save button down at the bottom. And again, it's just going to give you a quick reminder that you can only change username once. If you're happy to proceed, go ahead and click the orange OK button. And what will happen, you'll get a confirmation saying that your profile has been updated. So you can see now in the top right hand corner, if I zoom in, that our username is now changed. So I hope this quick tutorial helped out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you were to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.